All praises be to Almighty Allah, the Lord of all creation. We are grateful to Allah, who has blessed us with life, health, and illuminated us with the light of knowledge. Peace and blessings be upon our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. I would like to extend my warmest greetings to our esteemed, honorable chairman, chief guests, and listeners. Today my topic is the importance of madrasa education. In Islam, the importance of education is immense. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, وَإِنَّمَا بُعِثْتُ مُعَلِّمًا, I have been sent as a teacher. To emphasize the necessity of education for all, he further stated, طَلَبُ الْعِلْمِ فَرِيضَةٌ عَلَى كُلِّ مُسْلِمٍ. Seeking knowledge of the religion is obligatory on every Muslim. Consequently, in the early days of Islam, institutions like Dar al-Arqam and Sufa were established with a few students to educate the companions in Islamic knowledge. These institutions laid the foundation for religious education, which eventually evolved into the madrasa system. While external methods may have changed over time, the fundamental principles of Islamic education remain unchanged. On the other hand, religious education, which focuses on understanding what pleases or displeases Allah, is derived from divine revelation. This form of education is what we refer to as madrasa education. Since secular education is based on human experiences, errors and mistakes are natural and can have societal and political consequences. In contrast, madrasa education is rooted in the Quran and Sunnah, where there is no room for error. It is essential for every community to have institutions that produce scholars proficient in Quranic and Sunnah teachings, so that people can live their lives according to Islamic principles, knowing what is lawful and unlawful. Allah says in the Quran, why does not a group from every section of the believers go forth to gain understanding in the religion? Weren't there people when they return to them? Therefore, it is necessary to have institutions in every locality where deep knowledge of Islam is cultivated. Present situation shows that without the knowledge of the Quran and Sunnah, many students studying general education lose their interest and get lost in the midway of their lives. Here, people educated in a madrasa can play a crucial role in guiding those who are lost and involved in immoral activities. Moreover, madrasa education helps increase faith, piety, and focus on the hereafter in society. In addition, madrasa education makes the students morally and mentally strong, more efficient and versatile in every aspect of life as they learn many different branches of knowledge. Unfortunately, some people in our country hold madrasa education in a negative light, saying that they lack the knowledge of science and technology. But the irony is that many scientists are getting the themes for their research from this holy book, which are already known to the madrasa students, as they also read the Holy Quran scientifically and intensely. Actually, it doesn't matter what kind of knowledge you acquire. If it lacks the knowledge of Quran and Sunnah, it is of little value. You may obtain worldly certificates, but they will be of no use in the afterlife if you haven't learned the teachings of the Quran and Hadith. Madrasa education is the primary means to gain such knowledge, which will benefit you in both this life and the next. That is why the importance of madrasa education is truly immeasurable in every aspect, and it holds a special virtue that no other form of education can offer. In conclusion, I would say that it's high time we understood the importance of madrasa education and educated our children in Jamia Salafia. Thank you for listening. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.